Hi everyone! Today we're designing a full tracksuit, hoodie and sweatpants in Procreate. You can download this mockup and all our brush bundles at FUPstudio.com. First, I go into Google Drive, download the mockups, and open Procreate. I create a 3000 by 3000 pixel canvas and import the photos. I make a duplicate of the hoodie layer and of the pants layer, then combine them together. I set the top layer to multiply, so we keep all the shadows and outlines. On the layer underneath, I drop the base color. Now let's add some design. On the new layer with clipping mask, I go to airbrush and partly color to create a gradient effect. Then I add another new layer, set it to clipping mask, and go into our fabric bundle. I pick a fabric brush and go over the hoodie to give it more texture. Next, I create a new layer, open the ropes bundle, and add some graphics with one of the brushes. For branding, I add text, choose a font, and place it where I want. I also insert the PNG logo, position it, alpha lock it, and recolor. As a final touch, I rasterize the text and erase a little bit so the hoodie drawstrings appear above the text. And that's it. Our tracksuit design is ready. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to check FUPstudio.com for more mockups and brushes.